Hello everyone, welcome back to Auto Drive Update. Today we're taking a detailed look at the Toyota Hiace, presented here in a stylish glossy blue color. The Toyota Hiace has a strong and practical van design, making it suitable for passenger transportation, business use, and long-distance travel. At the front, it features a large black and chrome grille with the Toyota badge, clear headlights, fog lights, and a wide windshield. The blue exterior gives the van a premium appearance, while the silver alloy wheels and black details add a modern touch. Moving to the side, the Hiace offers large windows, a practical sliding passenger door, strong body panels, and comfortable entry access. The rear section features large doors, vertical tail lights, and a sturdy bumper, giving the van a clean and functional appearance. Inside, the Hiace provides a spacious cabin with comfortable seating, useful leg room, and a practical dashboard layout. The driver gets a multifunction steering wheel, instrument cluster, central display, air conditioning controls, and easy-to-reach switches. Passenger versions can offer multiple seating rows, making the Hiace suitable for families. Shuttle services and commercial transportation. The Hiace is powered by a petrol or diesel engine depending on the market and variant. Its focus is on dependable performance, practical handling, and efficient long-distance transportation. Safety and convenience features can include airbags, ABS, stability assistance, parking sensors, or cameras depending on the specific configuration. Overall, the Toyota Hiace combines practicality, spaciousness, durability, and a professional appearance, making it a popular choice for passenger and commercial use. If you enjoyed this review, please like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to Auto Drive Update for more cars, vans, trucks, buses, and automotive reviews. Thanks for watching.